What's up, y'all, man? SES, and I'm back with another one. This ain't really all nothing important, man. I'm just trying to get y'all content. So sometimes I take jobs. Well, really, this is the first time I took a job that's a tow, because I don't really, ain't for me. Some towing, it got to be worth it. But this tow, I'm just taking just to fix my shift cable in my truck. I have the video with the Chevelle. I found a donor car for the Chevelle. For those who follow me on Facebook and Instagram, y'all seen it already, but this for the YouTube people who ain't seen it. My truck, my shift cable started acting up in my truck, so it won't go in park. I gotta put it in neutral, then put it all the way in the park where it would be in park, and then adjust it on the trend. So I'm just taking this tow job to pay for that. What the hell, they got this car stuff? They must have been backing out in the dark. They needed somebody with some 4x4, put that in drive. Dang, that thing was down in there. But anyway, like I said, I'm just taking this tow to pay for my shift cable. So going from Fayetteville to Winder to drop a car off. This Mercedes is going to a Mercedes dealership. Me, I always chain to the frame, so that car got a subframe. So I'm going to get some over the tire straps. KJ Cool Cars told me about it at I forgot the name of the store, man, because it's just the same store I get all my lawnmower equipment from. The blades, the belts. But I got one here, about 10 minutes from me. So I'm about to go get me some over the tire straps for that car. And then I use them for my cars with the rims and stuff like that too, if I have to. But I'm gonna take that car and tow it to Winder, and then we're gonna go to Monroe to get my shift cable fixed. But I'm gonna start taking better care. Well, it ain't better care because I've used the hell out of my truck and trailer. Like, I'm gonna start trying to, like, quarterly get whatever I break fixed, because my adjuster on my trailer, where the lift thing that you let it up and down and go on the trailer with, that's bent because it got stuck and I dragged it and the piece was stuck in the ground and it bent. That's bent, it gotta be replaced. I kind of don't like it anyway because it's hard to maneuver it. Like, it take a lot. I want to kind of go to the one that attached to the frame. It's like a single post one. I'll post a picture of what it looks like right here. I kind of want to go to that one because it's just a little bit easier to me. So I'm gonna end up doing that. I'm gonna clean my trailer. I'm gonna change my trailers. My lights, both lights broke. Every time, like I said, every time I try to get in the backyard, man, I try to not get stuck. I gotta ride the concrete in front of the house, and then I end up hitting the trailer light in the bushes in the brake. Happens every time. Like, as soon as it's wet, I might as well just leave the truck trailer in the front till it dry out. My truck, on my tailgate, the handle is broke. A handle broke the other day back there. I think I opened the door for Logan and it just popped out. I was like, dang. And then it was loose. And then my wife pulled it and it just broke all the way. So I want to fix that. I want to start looking for some seats because these baby busted up. My rockers on both sides. This is a Midwest truck, so it got some rust. But my rockers on both sides, they starting to show. So I want to replace my rockers. I want to do my fender, but that fender costs a lot of money. Like, at that point, I might as well wait till somebody, because this is always happening. Wait till somebody hit my truck or something, and then they can fix that. But I don't know. I want to replace my fender, so if anybody know on some 2000 to like 2007, or it might be 2003 to 2007, I don't know, 8-foot dually fender bed, driver fender, let me know. I don't want to pay for a new, because the new one is like $300 and then shipping like another $350, so I already don't want to pay no $750 for that. That's why it's looking like that still. I might just buy a plastic welder and put it back together best I can, fiberglass the rest, I don't know. But I ain't no rush to do that. But I do want to get my latches back working. I want to get my shift cable working. I want to get my seats looking better, and I want to get all my handles and everything, like I said, my latches. I think it's one more thing. Yeah, I think that was it for the truck, and then the trailer is the rest of the stuff. But yeah, on the trailer, we're gonna clean it, fix the lights, change the lift piece, grease the hubs, just little stuff, man. You gotta take a little bit better care of what I got going. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get these over the tight straps, and then I'll be shooting to pick up the car, and then I'll drop the car off, go get my shift cable fixed. More stuff in the summer. I ain't been here since. I came here for some hydraulic oil. It's too hot, so I bought the hydraulic oil from the hydraulic oil store. But yeah, let me just come here and get my straps, and I'll be leaving. I just want to show y'all this, and y'all be thinking I be capping on prices and stuff. It's just one piece, $60 plus tax. This stuff is not cheap at all. Changes. So yeah, you gotta have the right equipment though when you're doing certain stuff. Hey, I think I talked about it already, but come think about it. This guy was towing a van to the scrap yard using some straps like this. For those who know what my van looks like, it's a 8,000 pound van using these skinny baby straps. He made a sharp turn, that thing flipped over, came off the trailer. But the van ain't flipped over, it flipped off the trailer, but I was able to help. A bunch of guys helped too, help him get it back on, but just want to show y'all, man, you gotta use the right stuff, because if you don't, it end up costing you in the long run. But yeah, let me look for these over the tight straps, because I don't even know what they look like. I'm about to ask for some help. I hope we don't have no copyright music, but this is the type of jacket I was talking about I want to go to right here. So if I had this, it's a whole lot easier than using these cheap little pencil joints. Yeah, just attach this to the C channel on the actual trailer itself, and it'll be a lot better than what you see right here. Going to my favorite UPS. Hey, they call me family, man. I told them I ain't going nowhere else. They so fast, get me in and out every time. Watch, they're gonna be like, Mr. Davis, watch this. Me? Okay. Good morning. Good morning. This going to somebody I already shipped to?
That make my life easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Start my day off perfect.
I think it's the same address. Everybody. Hey, how's it going, man? Hey, what's up, Mr. Davis? Yeah, they know me. I only go to that UPS, that's it. Because they be in and out, they don't be playing all that, they don't be moving slow. Same way. I also wanted to show y'all. I think I put it already in there. My winch broke, so I want to get another winch. I'm gonna keep that one though, it might be repairable. And that's a 12K, so there ain't no punk winch. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get that one fixed. I'm fixing myself whenever I have time. I might end up throwing it away, because that's how it always happens. You be like, yeah, I'm gonna fix it. And you don't fix it. So, but I am gonna get another winch, because I ain't got time to sit and fix it right now. Not every day you get to see something like this, man. As soon as I seen it, I just had to come over here and look at it. Like, god dang, this thing is alright, man. Like I said, I'm trying to go old. When it's all said and done, I have 3 box Chevys that I don't plan on selling. But this one I'm trying to go old, man. Old. It's a whole nother level. Talking money, progress, process, everything is different on this type of stuff, and that's the way I'm trying to go.
It's trunk, and when you set this motherfucker down, profile on. Show you this motherfucker.
That's your MCF over there? All right, so got the car. And I called Showtime, man. Going straight to voicemail, so I was like, all right, well, I guess I ain't going to get my shift cable fixed. So I just went and jumped under here and looked at it. Everything under the car and down is good. And I didn't know my truck was this rusty, but it is rusty. But hey, as long as it don't start rolling, like I say, we good. My truck, man. That thing is a hole in it. Hey, it's all good though. That sound like a long road. I'm gonna pretty it up. Yeah, this part is heavy bad. Look, another hole. put some rust encapsulator or whatever that stuff is that stop the rust. Yeah, I'm gonna go take that cable out when I get home. Drop this off, come back home, take that cable out, then go to the store, try to get another one. But yeah, that got to be fixed because it's just a pain, man. I'm gonna go ahead and spot these lights real quick since I'm not gonna make my appointment. Then yeah, a bit at a time. Yeah, guys, back at the house. So I actually dropped the car off. It is a little bit before 3 o'clock, and this is what an off day or a weekend, one of the days, look like. Like if I ain't in the shop grinding, I'm making all my runs because I try to not do both in the same day because I don't want to. When I get in there flow with that wood, man, I don't want to stop. So yeah, let y'all see it firsthand. I'm actually thinking about to sell one of these box Chevys. That's why I told y'all. I think I'm 100% sure 3 box Chevys is all I'm keeping. The rest of this stuff got to go because I can't do it no more. Just can't. But I'm gonna take these pictures and videos real quick, and then put that thing on the trailer. I still need to fix my truck, which I'm about to try to go cross-reference some part numbers and try to get the cable. But yeah, other than that, man, SCS, I'm out.